Learn English in an easy way, within 7 days. Welcome to Talking Tales. Learn English. If you have ever dreamed of speaking English fluently, but felt overwhelmed by the complexity of the language, don't worry, you are in the right place. Can you really learn English in just 7 days? The answer is yes. While achieving complete fluency takes time and consistent effort, you can certainly build a strong foundation within a week. This structured, simple, and enjoyable approach will help you start thinking, speaking, and understanding English quickly and confidently. Anyone, regardless of age, background, or current level, can learn English. By following this 7-day plan, practicing daily, and immersing yourself in the language, you will develop the ability to communicate effectively and with confidence. Are you ready? Let's begin. Day 1. Mastering the basics. Greetings and simple conversations. The first and most important step in learning English is to start with greetings and simple sentences that you can use immediately in daily conversations. This will help you. Common greetings. Hello? How are you? Good morning. Good evening. It's nice to meet you. What's your name? My name is Sarah. Practice. Tip. Try using these phrases with a friend, family member, or even in front of a mirror. Real life. Example: become comfortable with pronunciation and sentence structure. Imagine you are meeting a new person at a social gathering. Instead of feeling nervous and unsure, confidently say, "Hello, my name is your name. It's nice to meet you. How are you?" End of day activity. Record yourself saying these phrases. Play it back to hear how you sound and practice improving your pronunciation. Day 2. Building vocabulary and learning. Essential words. A strong vocabulary is the key to better communication. The more words you know, the easier it becomes to express yourself. Common nouns. Table, phone, water, food, car, book, pen, house. Common verbs: eat, sleep, walk, go, see, talk, learn, make, read. Common adjectives: happy, sad, big, small, fast, slow, strong, weak. Practice. Tip. Every day write down 5 new words and try to use them in different sentences. This will help reinforce their meanings and improve retention. Real life. Example. Instead of saying, "I like food," expand your sentence to be more expressive, such as, "I love eating delicious food at my favorite restaurant." End of day activity. Choose 10 words from the list and form your own sentences with them. This will help you get comfortable with sentence structure and word usage. Day 3. Thinking in English. Stop translating. One of the biggest challenges that learners face is translating sentences from their native language into English while speaking. This slows down communication and makes fluency difficult. To speak naturally, you must train your brain to think in English. How to do this? Describe everything around you in English. Speak to yourself in English when performing daily activities. Watch English videos with subtitles and repeat the sentences out loud. Practice. Tip. Start your day by describing everything you see in English. For example, say, "I wake up, I brush my teeth, I drink coffee, I read a book." End of day activity. Challenge yourself to spend at least 10 minutes thinking only in English. Speak aloud, narrate your actions, and resist the urge to translate. Day 4. Sentence formation and daily conversations. Now that you have built some vocabulary, let's focus on forming correct sentences so you can express yourself clearly. Basic sentence structure. Subject. Point plus verb. Plus object. Example. I, subject, eat, verb, an apple, object. Common phrases for daily use. Where is the nearest restaurant? I need to buy groceries. Practice. Tip. Speak these sentences aloud multiple times and try using them in real conversations. End-of-day activity. Write 5 sentences about your daily routine using the correct structure. Up to Day 5. Listening and speaking fluently. Fluency comes from listening to native speakers and mimicking their speech patterns. Watch English movies or YouTube videos. Listen to English songs and try singing along. Speak without fear. Even if you make mistakes, keep going. Practice. Tip: record yourself speaking English for 2 minutes every day. Listen to your pronunciation and identify areas where you can improve. End-of-day activity. Try having a small conversation with a friend or practice speaking in front of a mirror. Day 6. Writing and expressing thoughts in English. Writing is an excellent way to reinforce learning and structure your thoughts clearly. Start simple. Write a few sentences about your day. Write a short story or diary entry in English. Send texts in English instead of your native language. Practice. Tip: pick a topic, such as my favorite hobby, and write about it in 5 sentences. End-of-day activity. Write a message to a friend in English. Day 7. Confidence and daily practice. Congratulations! You have made great progress in just 1 week. The key to success is consistency and confidence. Practice daily. Make mistakes, but keep speaking. Find a conversation partner and speak in English every day. Final tips to keep learning. Surround yourself with English. Watch movies, read books, talk to people. Be patient. Learning a language takes time. Practice for later at 10 minutes daily. Small steps lead to big improvements. Conclusion. You don't need years to start speaking English. In just 7 days, you can build a strong foundation that will set you on the path to fluency. Keep practicing and never stop learning. Did you enjoy this lesson? Comment below on what topic you want next. Did you enjoy this lesson? Comment below on what topic you want next. Did you enjoy this lesson? Comment below on what topic you want next. Did you enjoy this lesson? Comment below on what topic you want next. Did you enjoy this lesson? Comment below on what topic you want next. Did you enjoy this lesson? Comment below on what topic you want next. Did you enjoy this lesson? Comment below on what topic you want next.